911, my name is Andrew. Do you need police, fire, or EMS?
Andrew, I don't know if police or what, but somebody needs to check out the guy at the Apartments.
What's the address?
I don't want to go out there because he's shooting a gun. He's got a big gun.
So do you need police, fire, or EMS?
Police.
What's going on?
I believe they're, like, trying to get into someone's house, and they're, like, shooting, and it's hitting, like, our walls. Like, our...
You said some of the bullets hit the wall?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's, like, on the street, but we get the bullets, like, fly by.
Copy, attack. I think door's gonna be open.
311, I just heard him rack a gun. But I don't have any visual, but I just heard him racking a gun back here.
Copy, all units, make sure you use caution. We just
right
racked the gun. No one copy?
Yeah. Right here. Yeah. Get cover right here. Oh, shit. We got shots fired. Shots fired. Timber Ridge.
Yeah, I went from pointed at us. That was me, that was me.
Yep.
That you or him? That was me.
Suspect should be down right now.
He had a gun pointed at us here. He's got a helmet, he's wearing a helmet.